In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to get Xero Advisor Certification, which is now officially called the Xero Certified Professional Certification. If you're an accountant, bookkeeper, or finance professional looking to boost your credibility and stand out to clients, this certification is a powerful way to do it. I'll show you exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect, so you can get certified as quickly and smoothly as possible. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more practical software guides just like this. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open a new browser tab and go to central.xero.com. This is Xero Central, which is the main hub for all of Xero's help resources, training materials, and certification programs. Once the page loads, you'll see options to browse articles, guides, and learning content. This is where everything related to becoming certified is managed, so make sure you're on the official Xero Central website before moving forward. Next, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Login button. Here, you'll sign in using your standard Xero email and password. Make sure you're using the account that you want associated with your certification, especially if you manage multiple organizations or client accounts. After logging in successfully, look at the top navigation menu and click on Learning. This is the section where Xero houses all of its courses, structured learning paths, and certifications. Once you're inside the learning area, you'll see different categories and training options designed for advisors and accounting professionals. Now that you're in the learning section, you have two ways to find the certification. You can either use the search bar at the top and type in Xero Advisor Certification, or you can scroll down and look under the certification section. What you're looking for is the program now labeled Xero Certified Professional. It's important to know that as of October 2025, Xero officially rebranded the Advisor Certification to the Xero Certified Professional, which is considered Level 2. Don't worry, this is not a different qualification. It's the same certification in terms of value, recognition, and benefits. So if you see Professional instead of Advisor, you're in the right place. Once you find Xero Certified Professional, click the blue button that says Get Started or Enroll. This will take you into the certification learning path. From there, you'll gain access to the required courses, modules, and assessments that you need to complete. The program typically includes a series of self-paced lessons covering core features of Xero, best practices, and practical workflows that advisors use when working with clients. You can move through the material at your own pace, which makes it flexible if you're balancing client work or a full-time job. As you progress, you'll complete quizzes or assessments to test your understanding. Make sure to take your time with each section and review any areas where you feel less confident. The goal isn't just to pass the assessment, but to truly understand how to use Xero effectively in real-world scenarios. Once you successfully complete all required modules and pass the final assessment, you will officially earn your Xero Certified Professional status, which again is the equivalent of being a Xero Certified Advisor. After certification, your credentials can be displayed on your Xero partner profile, and this can significantly increase your credibility with potential clients. Many businesses actively look for certified Xero professionals, so this badge can directly help you grow your practice or advance your career. And that's it. That's exactly how to get Xero Advisor Certification step by step using Xero Central. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.